Hello students, welcome to my channel sanamtutorial, your one-stop destination for mastering mathematics with the annual exam for 2024-25 just around the corner. I know you are all gearing up to perform your best. So today we are solving mock test 1 which is based on the previous year questions and expected question for class 6 mathematics, DAV Public School, Cuttack, Odisha zone. If you stay with me till the end, you will gain the confidence to tackle similar questions in your exam. So also, if you need the complete PDF of this mock test, you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. The link at the description box below. So now let us start the session. First question. Today we solve the chapter linear equation. So first question number 1. A number multiplied by 2 is 3 more than the number itself. Suppose the number is x, okay, is multiplied by 2 means 2x, is means equal to 3 more than the number itself. So number take the x, so x plus 3 because more than means plus. So answer is 2x equal to x plus 3. Understand? Now next question. If x plus 5 equal to 7, then 2x minus 3 equal to dash. So first we solve this, that is x plus 5 equal to 7 means x equal to how much? Now 7's go to the right side, it will be minus because in left side it will addition. So the x equal to 2. Now put the value in place of x, that is 2 into 2 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So answer is 1. Next question. Which of the following equation has x equal to 3 as the solution? Okay, put the value and check LHS and the RHS. If you put the value of x in option number 1, means in place x we put 3, means 3 minus 2 how much? 1, but right side is 5. That's why this option is wrong. Next, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Yes, so option number 2 is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. If 0.2y equal to 8, find the value of y, means we can write 0.2y is equal to 8. Now 0.2y divided by 0.2 is equal to 8 divided by 0.2, because in place in y that is 0.2 is multiply, when we divided it then it will be cancel. Yes or no? Now the y is remaining, so y equal to 8 divided by 0.2 means 2 by 10. Yes or no? Now we can write 8 into 10 by 2, because when the two fraction is divided then we multiply, but we convert into multiply, then the denominator fraction must be reciprocal, means 8 into 10 by 2. So answer is 40, because 2 5 ja 8 5 ja 40. So y equal to 40. Clear? Now next question, question number 5. 3 times a number, that is 3x, decreased by 1 means minus 1, is means equal to 4. Answer. Now next, solve this 2 mark. So first write down the question. 7y plus 3 equal to 9. Now we can write 7y is equal to 9 minus 3, or we can write 7y equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. So tell me what is y. Now y equal to, here is multiply, then it is division, 6 divided by 7. So answer is y equal to 6 by 7. Or we can solve by the other method, actual same method. First we write down the question, that is 7y plus 3 equal to 9. Now 7y plus 3, when we subtract 3 then 3 cancel. Yes or no? Now same right side we subtract 3 Now 7y is equal to 6. Again we divide by 7, then 7 cancel. Also divide 7 with right side. So y equal to 6 by 7. Clear? You can solve in either this method or this method. Clear? Next. Question number 7. Solve this and check the solution. Okay, first we solve, that is 7x minus 4 equal to 5 plus 4x. Now we arrange. Okay, so first we write down 7x, here minus 4x. When go to the left side, then it becomes minus, that is plus, minus 4x equal to 5. 4 becomes minus 4 becomes plus 4, that is plus 4. Now solve 7 minus 4, that is 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 9 divided by 3, or x equal to 3. Okay, because 3x means 3 multiply with x. So multiply means right side division. Okay, now check. Check means first we write down the LHS left hand side, that is 7x minus 4. Put the value, that is 7 into 3 minus 4 equal to 21 minus 4, that is 17. Similarly, solve right hand side, that is 5 plus 4x. 5 plus 4 into 3, that is 5 plus 12 equal to 17. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. Clear? Next question. Solve this question. So first write down the question, that is z plus 3 divided with 4, by 4 equal to 17. So here 4 is division. When go to the right side, it becomes multiply. So z plus 3 equal to 17 into 4. So z plus 3 equal to 68. So z equal to 68. Here is plus means minus 3. So z equal to 65. Or you can solve the next method, the other method, that is z plus 3 divided by 4. When we multiply by 4, then it will be cancelled. Yes or no? Similarly, we multiply right side, that is 4. So z plus 3 equal to 68. Again z plus 3 minus 3, then it will be cancelled. Now 68 minus 3. So z equal to 65. Answer. Clear? Next question. Solve question number 9. 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 5. So we can write 1 by 2x equal to, here it will be negative, that is 5 minus 3. Now 1 by 2x equal to 2, because 5 minus 3 2. Now x equal to 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 by 1, because 2 is division multiply, or 1 by 2 is multiply. Either if left side is fraction, then it go to the right side, it will be reciprocal. Okay, then 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. So multiply. So x equal to 2 2 is 4. Answer. Clear? Or you can solve the other method is 1 by 2x plus 3 minus 3, then 5 minus 3, then now cancel. So 1 by 2x equal to 2. Again 1 by 2x into 2, then 2 cancel, equal to 2 into 2. Now x equal to 2 2 is 4. Okay, next question. Question number 10 and the last question of this mock test. The solution of z by 0.5 equal to 0.2. So means we can write z equal to 0.2 into 0.5, because here is 0.5 multiply division, go to the right side, then it will be multiply. So now simply multiplication, 5 2 is 10, after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, means multiply means addition, means after decimal 2 digit, that is 0.1 1 0, or simply you can write 0.1. Or we can solve 0.2, we can fraction 2 by 10 into 0.5 convert into fraction means 5 by 10. So 5 2 are 10 divided by 10 10 are 100. 0 0 cancel, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 means 0.1. Answer. Okay, you can solve by this method or this. Clear, all of you? If any doubt, then you can comment on WhatsApp, Telegram. Okay. In next mock test 2, we solve the next chapter. Okay. Total we solve 33 mock test. So, যদি ভিডিওটি পছন্দ লাগে, like, share and subscribe করিব. Thank you.